We fell in love on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problem haven't just been hard to find. But lately little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always finding something in all that what I do. But you can rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I would be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care, who'll always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last today without you. Ang galing! You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me morning and sends me riding through the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the medicines I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all through, how could anyone be more to me than you? Ang galing natin. When I was young, I never needed anyone, and making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. All by myself, don't wanna leave. All by myself. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Yan, tuloy. All by myself na lang talaga ako. At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. Ano, sasabay ka na naman? Hindi no, hihingi lang ako ng tubig na mainit. Pero pasabay na rin ha. At kung bukas, pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa. Di ba? Tinapos mo pa. Ang galing. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang, dasal sa araw-araw aking ka na ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama ikaw na lang ang ibigin pa ang dasal makikiusap na lang aking naghihintay nasa akin ay mag-aalay pag-ibig na tunay at di magwawakas.
Ang galing.
Nang isilang ka sa mundong ito, laking tuwa ng magulang mo. At ang kamay nila ang iyong ilaw. At maybe this time, it'll be love and the fire. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Atin ko pong sing-sing, metong yang timpukan, ama na ke iti, kingindong ibatan. Paalam na aking kay hirap sabihin, paalam na.
Oo na, paalam na. Ikaw na, o dito ka, upo ka dito, o. Ang galing mo eh.
Masakit isipin
Ang galing.
na kahit and I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got a chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way you do today. And then if you can remember.
Ano, sasabay ka na naman. Hindi no, sisignalan kita sa utang mo, Besh. Ang tagal-tagal na ng utang mo, Besh. Mag-iisang buwan na. Babayaran mo pa ba ako? O may balak ka pa na bayaran ako? Grabe ka naman, Besh. Ang ganda-ganda pa naman ng kinakanta ko. That's what friends are for. Tapos gaganin mo lang ako. Pakinggan mo kaya yung chorus, ang ganda-ganda. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure.
Palusot, ah.
That's what
Ang
friends
galing.
are for.
If you walked away from me today, I am sure that who you were going to would feel the way as I do.
Mali. Mali yung pagkanta mo. Anong mali doon? Ganito kasi yun, Beshi. Sige nga, ikaw nga.
If you walked away from me today, tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan.
Ganun. Ang galing.
All my life, without a doubt I give you all my life, now and forever till the day I die, you and I will share.
Ano na naman? Sasabi ka na naman. Hindi no, aarte lang ako. All my life, ako na lang palagi. Ako na lang nagluluto, naglalaba, naglilinis, nagbabayad ng mga bills, nagsasakripisyo, nagpapaubaya. All my life, ako na lang palagi. Ako. Okay ba yung pag-acting ko, Beshi? Ang galing.